Okay.
Truth is I'm tired, options are few. I've tried to pray, but where are you? I'm all churched out, hurt and abused. I can't face what's left to do. Truth is I'm weak, no strength to fight, no tears to cry, even if I try. But still my soul refuses to die. One touch will change my life. Please take me to the King. I don't have much to bring. My heart is torn to pieces. It's my offering. Please lay me at the throne. Leave me there alone to gaze upon your glory. Sing to you this song. Please take me to the King. Take me to the King. Take me to the King. Take me to the King.
Excellent. Thank you. You have a beautiful voice.